everyone! This time we will review about function and relation. Please subscribe on my channel.
Functions and functions. So we'll review about functions and relations. So our objectives here to define relations and function, to determine the domain and the range of a given relations and function, and to determine whether the relation is a function. So what is this relation? Relation is a set of ordered pairs. It can be a graph. See how you're going to express this one. You can write in a mapping form, in a graph, in an equation, in a table form, or in an ordered pair. So there are 5 ways how you're going to write these relations or functions. So the first element of the ordered pair. If we have the ordered pair x comma y, x is the domain. And the range is the set of all the second coordinates, so meaning the second element. So this is the y. A function is a relation in which each element of the domain is paired with exactly one element of the range. The application, here you have your input and then you are going to process that one and you come up the output. Not all relations are functions, but all functions are relations. So y is equal to f of x. That is in equation form. We have an example of a mapping form expressing a relation or a function in mapping form. We have the corresponding domain and the corresponding range. Remember, if a relation is a function, we have here like 1-to-1. In every element in the domain, there's a corresponding only one pair. So this is a 1-to-1 function. We can have, this is not a function. A relation which is 1 to many. So si 9, give pair in twice. 9 paired to 3 and 9 paired to -3. So this is a relation but not a function. This is a 1 to many relationship. We have also many to 1. What is this many to 1? We have here -2 and -2 paired to 4. So this is a function. Many to 1 is a function, but 1 to many is just a relation. But many to many is not a function. This is simply a relation. Find the domain and range, then tell if the relation is a function. 3, 1, 3, and 4. And the range here is 3, 1, and -2. So is this a function? Yes. This is a function. Okay, another example. Determine if the given relation is a function. So we have here the ordered pair 2, 3, 3, 0, 5, 2, 4, 3. Examine the given ordered pair. Is this a function? If you examine here, the domain are 2, 3, 5, 4. So, wala siya nagbalik-balik. While the range here is 3, 0, 2, and 3. Yes, every domain is different. So, you just check only the domain. Next, number 2. We have the ordered pair 4, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 6, 6, and 1, 9. This is not a function. 5 is paired with 2 numbers, 2 and 3. So therefore, this is not a function. Next, is this relation a function? 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. Many to 1. Your range here is only 3. So this is many to 1. So function. Okay, we have what we call the vertical line test. If the given is the graph, check by drawing a vertical line test. If there is only one point of intersection, that is what we call a tangent line. When you draw a vertical line in any of the ordered pair or any part of the graph, one point of intersection, so that given graph is a function. So we have here Number 1, first, this is the graph. This is linear. When you draw, here is the vertical line, colored blue. So this is a function. Second example, we have a parabola opens upward. When you draw a vertical line, so you have only one point of intersection. So this is a function. Whereas this given ellipse, this is an ellipse or a semicircle. When you draw a vertical line, obviously, there are 2 points of intersection. So this is not a function. Okay, another example here. This graph. When you draw a vertical line, this is a function, only 1 point of intersection. But this graph, since this is already a vertical, so all points here are part of the common point. So therefore, common point, when you draw a vertical, kay vertical naman na siya daan. So this is not a function. This parabola opens to the right is not a function. And this one is a graph going up. You draw a vertical line, only 1 point of intersection. So what about this one? Is this a function? This is a graph of an absolute value function. When you draw a vertical line, we have only 1 point of intersection. So therefore, yes, this is a function. Y or f of x equals 3x minus 2. Find f of 3. So just simply substitute the value 3 in the variable x. So 3 times 3, 9 minus 2, we have 7. So input the process, the output 7. What about f of negative 2? F of negative 2, substitute here, negative 2 in x. 3 times negative 2, negative 6, minus 2, negative 8. So we have input, process, and the result. Okay, so this is evaluating function. Another example, evaluate h of z is equal to z squared minus 4z plus 9. And h is equal to h of negative 3. So you are going to substitute z by negative 3. So negative 3 squared minus 4 times negative 3 plus 9. Be careful of the sign. So that's why you have parentheses here. Negative 3 squared, negative times negative, positive 9. Negative times negative, positive 12 plus 9. So you are going to follow PEMDAS power, multiply or divide, add and subtract. So 9 plus 12 plus 9 is equal to 30. So the answer here is 30. H of negative 3 is 30 times 4, 16 minus 2, that's 14. So the answer is 14.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and watch my other math tutorials.